Creating a natural beekeeping environment is essential for fostering healthier hives and thriving bee populations. Start by selecting a suitable location for your beehive, preferably in a sunny spot with some wind protection. Bees thrive in places with abundant flowering plants. Consider planting a diverse range of native flowers that bloom at different times throughout the season to ensure a steady food source. It's also vital to provide a water source, such as a shallow dish filled with pebbles and water so bees can drink safely. Avoid using pesticides in your garden, as these chemicals can be harmful to bees. Instead, consider organic pest control methods that won't harm these essential pollinators. Additionally, leaving natural vegetation undisturbed can encourage a healthy ecosystem for bees and other beneficial insects. Building bee hotels or leaving bare patches of soil can also support solitary bee species. Lastly, educate yourself on local flora and seasonal blooms to maximize your bees' foraging opportunities. By creating this bee-friendly habitat, you contribute to the health of your hives and the environment at large, fostering a sustainable relationship with these incredible creatures.